Hello and welcome back to Road to Damascus. And today we're doing the R9. Oh, that was the run of a lifetime! That's right, you already know how we do it. I go through the loadout I think is the best to get your R9 gold. And then we go straight into some good games that I had whilst trying to get this gun gold. Let's get straight into it. Just before we get into that, make sure to leave a like. It's just down there with the subscribe button. So you may as well press both at the same time. With the bell as well. I mean, why not? If you didn't know, I stream all this over on Twitch. I stream every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Be sure to see you there. Let's get straight into this loadout. Let's go. Yeah. Okay. Bye. So this is what I believe to be the best class for your R9 shotgun. So first of all, you're going to want to start off with the choke. This increases the damage range, which is very good for a shotgun because on the shotguns they're not that good. And also it tightens up the bullet spread, so you're going to have to be a bit more accurate, but trust me, it will take down your enemy much faster. Next we're going to move on to the barrel. Now the barrel you want to put on is the Forge Tac Sentry. You want to put this on because it also increases damage range and also tightens up that bullet spread even more. So you got to be more accurate, but believe me, when you hit those shots, it's going to be worth it. You're going to take them down even faster than if you had the wide bullet spread. Now you want to go for the 5mm laser. This increases the hip fire accuracy and also it's easier to see where your bullets are gonna go. Next, you're gonna want to go for sleight of hand. Personally, I like sleight of hand because it increases that reload speed and also increases the cockback speed, which you're gonna want in this gun. If you miss a couple shots or get a couple hit markers and they're not dying, you're gonna want that reload speed up there. And now for the last attachment, I went for the Ranger foregrip, and I done this because it helps with the recoil control and also the aim stability and also your hip fire accuracy. So you're going to want to put that on so it's easier to hip fire, because with most shotguns you're going to be hip firing. Now I was using the slug rounds for a long while just because it increased the damage range, but I swapped them out for the normal rounds and it was so much easier to get kills, so much easier to hit the target. It was a good swap out, I'll tell you that. The laser was on his head. However, the good thing about these is it is a 2-hit kill from a much longer range. So the trade-off is you're not going to be getting many kills from far away, but it's going to be easier to hit your target up close. Trust me. So that is your R9 class.
Like, I'm going in, I'm getting so many kills, but...
Oh. I've already got that kill. Oh, the whole team's there.
Oh man. No.
Here it is, no.
That's when I die.
No.
Oh Mario, use your right shield. Wait, what? No, it's got behind me. Oh my god. I haven't got a kill. Oh.
Oh man, RPG that would
I've never done that shit. One person so far.
There you go, more people for you to run into.
Enemy here.
There's only 2 people.
Oh, I just lagged out. Oh my god, I'm good. No, they have 4, what do you mean?
Oh, they have 2 when I checked.
I'm gonna blow up.
There's a guy chasing me.
Oh!
Oh!
Oh,
Yeah, can do, yeah. I'm down. Oh no.
how can you even see me? That's a shame.
Fine.
He pruned under my bullet. Oh no, I'm not going to concentrate again. Oh, there's no way I'm going to kill him from there. They're all the way down on the other side.
What the hell? My bullets aren't.
Oh my god, I just got a triple. I just got a triple with that grenade.
Yeah, I'm just saying.
No!
What?
How did I just... Oh! No! No, man!
I'm just.
Changing back. Friendly UAV overhead. Enemy in the junkyard. Friendly VTOL on station. Got a UAV on station.
I gotta go! No way! Oh, let's just fucking play normally then.
Reloading. Friendly UAV overhead.
Freaking pop off right there. Let's go. I wanna get my VTOL too. No way, bro.
Oh, it's a shot.
Get out of there. Holy shit. Holy shit, the whole team's here. Oh, guess what, Jay? Oh, that was the run of a lifetime. Oh. Oh. Oh, assist. Who came top? Obviously me. 41 kills, you know. And I was just trying to do crouching kills. What the heck? I only died 8 times. Bro, look at that KD right there. That's disgusting. Oh yeah. Ooh! Okay. Hey, not too shabby if I do say so. Health!